Hello, today we'll cover this question in today's video. So, calculate probability. What's the probability of observing 1000 given the mu 0 and standard deviation 1? So, let's say x is 1000 and we are given mu 0 and standard deviation 1. Since the standard deviation is 1 and mu is 0, we can see that it's a standard normal distribution or z distribution. We can compute using this information, we can compute z score, which is z is equals to x minus mu divided by standard deviation. We get 1,000. So what does this mean? So it means that 1000 value lies 1000 deviations away from the mean. So, but we have to, using this information, we have to note that normal distribution is a continuous distribution. That means there is no exact single value we can find for this distribution. So the probability of observing a single value is 0. So probability of observing x is equals to 1000 will be 0. Same goes for probability of x is equals to 1 is equals to 0, p is equals to x is equals to 3 is equals to 0, and so on. So the right question to ask will be what is the probability that x is greater than 0, greater than 1000? This value we will get very close to 0. So we can say 0% value. But in this case, since the normal distribution is continuous distribution, the exact value will always be 0. And if it was asking probability x is greater than 1000, then it will be 0.000 something, and that would be very close to 0%. So that's what we have answered in this question. So the answer is 0. I hope it was clear. If any doubt or I have missed something, do let me know in the comments. Thank you.